guys, my name is Haley Hampton. I have a YouTube. Today, me and my cousin Danielle are going to be introducing you the big Hulk that's not even a year old, and she's picking up.
She is not a Hulk yet.
Big dog.
Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, Fatty.
But yeah.
Good boy. But he is not the Hulk, but hopefully she can pull up the picture of Hulk on her phone. But hopefully he will get big like Hulk.
You want me to look at Hulk, the Hulk dog?
Hulk the dog? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
But anyways, Hulk the dog is not a pip like him. He Time, the dog I got, he's still a puppy. He's about to be a year old in November the 25th. He is mixed with blue nose, gator mouth, or gator head, whatever it's called, and some other dog. I think it's Razor. I don't know. Or either Brindle. I'm not sure. But
okay, let me pull it up.
anyways, here, she's going to pull it up.
A big,
But, I don't know.
big.
Alright, here's the pic of Hulk the dog. The reason he's so big is because he's put on steroids and stuff, so.
But her dog isn't, so.
Yeah, he's just on normal foods and stuff and water. But, he's not a year old yet, but he's still growing. But they can still grow until they, you know, stop growing. But, anyways, I forgot what I was going to say. So I had to pause the video for a minute to think what I was going to say. But, anyways, I couldn't remember. So, anyways, when he was a baby, he could fit in the palm of your hand. Alright, so, and I got him extra early, but he still fit in the palm of my hand, and he was really small. But now you can see how big the motherfucker is. And I thought that my vagina was gonna fall out picking his ass up. No offense, sorry for the bad language. But anyways, I guess this is the end of this video. So yeah, so please subscribe.
Just a sec. My name is Haley Hampton, and I have some YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube videos if you want to view. Yeah, and
but anyways, please like and subscribe, and no bad comments, and please put positive comments. So yes, and please go on to my Musical.ly. It's Danielle Hathorn and Haley, which is my cousin right here. Hers is Haley Hampton on Musical.ly. But anyways, hopefully we can get a lot more subscribers for them too, likes and everything, and more hearts. But anyways, please, thank you, and have a nice night. My niggas, bye!